And I feel a storm is coming. You keep me always running, and now you're starting something. What's it gonna be? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. What's it gonna be? Baby go, baby slow. Baby go, baby slow, baby go, baby slow. Is it yes or a no? Is it yes or a no? Are we willing to go through it all? Or we won't? Will we grow and let go of the things that our heart used to hold?